Have you ever felt like your daily commute was a bit much? Well, prepare to have your mind blown by a creature that makes our longest journeys look like a stroll to the corner store. Meet the Arctic tern, a small, unassuming seabird that holds the title for the longest migration in the animal kingdom. This isn't just a trip. It's an epic, pole-to-pole odyssey that redefines what we thought was possible for a creature of its size. So, how far are we talking? Forget your frequent flyer miles. This feathered champion travels an astonishing 49,000 miles every single year. That's a round trip from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back again. It's the equivalent of flying to the moon and back, twice, over its lifetime. But why undertake such a colossal journey? It's all about chasing the sun. By following the summer season from one pole to the other, the Arctic tern experiences more daylight than any other animal on Earth, ensuring a constant, abundant supply of food and avoiding the harsh, dark winters of both polar regions. It's the ultimate survival strategy perfected over millennia. How do they even navigate such a mind-bending distance? This is where it gets truly incredible. These tiny navigators are equipped with an instinctual GPS that puts our best technology to shame. They use the sun and the stars as celestial waypoints, much like ancient mariners, but their abilities go even deeper. Scientists believe Arctic terns can actually sense the Earth's magnetic field, using it as an invisible roadmap to guide them across vast, featureless oceans. It's a biological compass we are still trying to fully understand, and they're masters of efficiency, expertly harnessing prevailing winds and gliding for long stretches to conserve every ounce of energy. This isn't just flapping hard. It's a masterclass in aerodynamic engineering. Their life is a tale of two summers. It begins in the high Arctic, where they breed during the brief but intense summer. The air is filled with the calls of bustling, vibrant colonies as they raise their chicks in a land of 24-hour daylight and plentiful fish. Once the young are ready, the epic trek south begins. It's an arduous flight across entire hemispheres, a true test of endurance where they face storms, exhaustion, and predators. But the reward is worth it. They arrive in the Antarctic just as its summer is beginning, diving into the Southern Ocean for a feeding frenzy on rich krill and fish populations. They spend their winter soaking up the Antarctic sun before turning around to do it all over again. However, this incredible journey is facing modern threats. Climate change is altering their world at a terrifying pace. Shifting sea ice patterns disrupt their food sources, and more frequent extreme weather events make their migration even more perilous. Human activity also plays a part. Increased shipping traffic, plastic pollution, and coastal development are encroaching on their critical breeding and resting habitats. But there is hope. Conservationists and scientists around the world are working tirelessly. Through satellite tracking, we're learning more about their routes than ever before. International collaborations are establishing protected marine areas, and public awareness is growing. The Arctic Tern's journey is more than just an amazing feat of nature. It's a powerful symbol of our planet's interconnectedness. This tiny bird links the North and South Poles, reminding us that an environmental change in one part of the world has ripple effects across the globe. Its resilience is inspiring, but its vulnerability is a call to action for all of us. It urges us to appreciate the delicate balance of our natural world and consider our own impact. The next time you look up at the sky, think of the Arctic tern, nature's greatest traveler, and the enduring mysteries it still holds. Thanks so much for joining us on this incredible journey. If you were as amazed as we are, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so you won't miss our next exploration into the wonders of the natural world. See you next time.